Thank you, Bob. Hi again. Hi. Brahm and I are really excited because we're going to be doing a very special song to both of us and to our whole family and to a lot of people. It's called Feed the Birds, and it's from the movie Mary Poppins. It was written by our great uncle Robert Sherman and his brother Richard Sherman, who wrote a lot of the music for the Disney movies, especially in the 60s and 70s. And it's a pretty awesome song because the story goes that it was Walt Disney's favorite song, and at the end of every week, he and the Sherman brothers would gather around the piano and he would say, "Play it, boys," and they would all sing Feed the Birds together. And so it's a really awesome song. It's about charity, and the message is simple but always relevant and always important. So we're really excited to share it with you.
Of St. Paul's, the little old bird woman comes in her own special way to the people she calls. Come buy my bags full of crumbs. Come feed the little birds, show them you care, and you'll be glad if you do. Are so bare, all it takes is tuppence from you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag, tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Feed the birds, that's what she cries, while overhead her birds fill the skies. All around the cathedral, the saints and apostles look down as she sells her wares. Although you can't see it, you know they are smiling each time someone shows that he cares. No, her words are simple and few. Listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bird, tuppence, tuppence.